Meaning of Dr. Watson.
Dr. Watson.
Dr. Watson.
Dr. Watson.
Dr. Watson. Dr. Watson is a fictional character in the Sherlock Holmes stories. He is a close friend and assistant to the famous detective. In popular culture, Dr. Watson has come to represent a loyal and reliable companion who supports and assists a more brilliant but eccentric partner or leader. The phrase playing Dr. Watson can mean acting as a sidekick or assistant. Additionally, Dr. Watson is also the name of a computer program created by IBM that can answer questions posed in natural language.